Hello traders, we will be doing analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow, that is 22nd of July. So in the previous video, we were pretty clear about that our view is bearish on Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. And as we saw, we got a decline in the first half, then a small bounce and a small correction again at the end. Now, if you remember in the last video, we talked about that we will find support in this area. And I was pretty clear that we will have a bounce here. As you can see that in the morning itself at 9:13 before the market opened, I was pretty sure that in 15,575 to 15,610 range, we'll find support. And if we see here, then we got a support exactly in this area, and then we saw a bounce. Now as soon as we reached there, then I put on another post saying that now these areas will be the typical stop loss placements, so we might go and take all of them, expect the market to take out these stop losses now. And if we go down to the 1 minute chart, we see that the market went up to get all these stop losses. Now after that, now we have to talk what are the possibilities for tomorrow. So I think that this is our final piece of support, I would say. So anything lower than this, we will be looking for directly for 15,300, which is around 300 to 315, 325, right around this level. So if we go below today's low, yesterday's low when the market was open. So if we start trading below this area, let's say we gap down open and we stay below this area, not like if we gap down then we might come up, but if we stay below this area, then we are directly looking towards 15,300. I would say that easily we can go down 250 to 300 points. The reason for that is because there is not a lot of support here. As you can see that after this support is there, I would say the next support is right around this area. So we can expect a 250 to 300 points fall there. So that is for the bearish side. That if we go below the yesterday's low. For the bullish side, I would say do not be bullish for the overall market. If you are trading in a very small time frame like scalping or something, that is a different story. But overall, I wouldn't be bullish as long as we are below these levels, 950 levels. This is the future chart. Even if the market crosses these levels, I would not be bullish. I would rather wait, trade something else, then go bullish here. It is very much possible that we can go tag these highs as well, because if we look at the overall support level in Nifty, you can see that this was a support level for Nifty. So after watching this fall, a lot of traders would have entered short, and this will look like a retest and more people would have shorted here. So it is very likely that market is going to take out these guys as well. It's not like sure it will happen, but it is a good possibility that can happen. So I would not be bullish even if we go above these areas. So I hope everything is clear. No going long. This is my personal opinion. No going long till we go above these almost all-time highs. And for short trading, I would say that if we start trading below 15,575, sustain there for some time, then we are directly looking towards 15,300 levels, 15,315 levels. For Bank Nifty, again, I want to show a quick. This is what I posted in Bank Nifty when it was giving this breakout right here. my opinion, I wrote that we will come down to 34,500, and we did a very sharp fall and we reached that particular level just in 2 days. Now, the reason behind that is because if we see this breakout, it's very much visible. Everyone can track this breakout. So as soon as I saw this candle, I was pretty sure that a lot of traders will go long and the market is going to take all of them out. And we came below 34 and 34,500. We almost touched 34,450. Now, same as Nifty, I wouldn't be bullish as long as we are below these 34, 35, 750 or let's say 36,000 levels. And I think that if we are going below, I would say, let's get on the volume profile here, see what's happening at the lower levels. So I think there will be some support present at 34,300. So the bottom line would be that if we trade below 34,200, I would say 34,200, then we will be looking towards 33,500. So 700 points drop if we sustain below 34,200. And after 34,200, after 34,200, we will come to 33,500. Then after that, maybe 32,000. But we will talk about that after we reach 33,500, not before that. So I hope the bearish and the bullish scenarios are clear for Bank Nifty and Nifty. And let's talk about Bharti Airtel. We talked about in the last video. I mean, the drawings are still there that this breakout will most likely turn and get all these orders. It's the same drawings which I did in the previous video. So let's clear all of this. So again, whenever we get this clean breakouts and there is a obvious support in the market, we'll get this fake breakout, get people to go long, they'll put their stop losses here, and then we will turn and take out these areas. So that's it, I think. Even for ITC, I am looking for the same kind of move to the downside. So I hope the scenario is clear. Nifty and Bank Nifty trading below the low, we will be looking at 15,300. Bank Nifty below 34,200, we will be looking towards 33,500. For the bullish scenario, I will not be bullish till we go above the highs. So this is it for the video. I hope everything is clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comments. Thank you.